Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Audition with Essential Sound Panel workflows step by step clearly. Open Adobe Audition on your computer. Ensure you have the latest version of Audition installed. Navigate to the main menu at the top of the screen. Click on Window to view the drop-down options. In the drop-down menu, locate and select Essential Sound. The Essential Sound panel will now appear on the right side of your screen. Select an audio file you want to work with. Drag and drop the audio file into the timeline for editing. With the audio file selected, look at the Essential Sound panel. Choose the appropriate audio type from the options: dialogue, music, SFX, or ambience. For dialogue, click on the dialogue button in the panel. You will see various presets and options tailored for dialogue editing. Adjust the loudness and clarity settings as needed. Use the repair section to eliminate unwanted noise or clicks. If working with music, select the music button in the panel. Here, you'll find options to adjust the musical elements of your track. Explore the SFX and ambience options similarly for sound effects and ambient sounds. Once adjustments are made, play back your audio to hear the changes. If satisfied with the results, press Apply to finalize your settings. Save your project by clicking on File then Save As. Choose the desired file format and location for saving your audio work. Close the Essential Sound panel once your edits are complete. Continue to refine your project using other tools in Adobe Audition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.